Have your basin again. Then we have here the orange stick wood. Are you still with me? Okay. When I give here the instruction and the demonstration, you have to listen to me because I told you, class, this will be the last, second to the last day that you will be with me. Okay? Tomorrow is the end of your skill.
We don't have skills review?
We will have skill review, but probably it will take time. Okay? You are scheduled, if you are scheduled to get the examination on November 4 and 5, so you will have 3 days review with me. But remember, you have to master everything here. You have to master the 24 skills with me on the review. I cannot teach you individual skills already. You have to do it in front of me here on the review. You have to do it alone, and nobody will teach you. Okay, I'm telling you this, guys, because I want you to build your own self-confidence here. So how can you build your own self-confidence? It is the mastery of the skill, right? You have to do it by yourself. Nobody will teach you again. Nobody will coach on the panel. You have to do it in front of the examiner, right? So the same with what I'm doing here. I am teaching you on how to do it. So please look at the performer and the demonstration here because this is very important to everybody. Okay? So basin, orange stick wood. This is what you call the orange stick wood. We have to use the pointed side, not this one. Because this one here is to be inserted on the tip of the fingers here. You have to insert it here. Don't just pretend it. Okay? You have to insert this one. Only one stroke. One. Then wipe it on the washcloth. Then another one here, insert on the tip, then wipe. Then only 5 fingers. It's only applicable here for 5 fingers. And you're done with the orange stick. Next, you have to apply the file. Also on the tip of the finger. So you have to apply it here. One. Only one stroke. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's how you apply it. Then of course, we have to use the gloves. The color is red, right? So I'm going to have here the
When you
patient.
can you go over it one more time?
Yeah, I have to repeat the...
Oh, okay.
I have to start it from the very beginning,
Okay.
so that everybody has to observe it. Okay, let's say this is my patient here. Okay. She will be sitting on in the bed. Mr. Obama, can you sit down on the bed? If the patient, of course, is lying in bed, you have to let the patient sit down, right? So, and prepare the material. So, the same, wash my hand here, then approach. Good morning, Mr. Ford, and that's I want to provide you with your fingernail care. Okay? Next, prepare the material. Just prepare it. Just lock it. Next, you have to put this one here. Then, put on water temperature first. How many skills we already finished? Modified bed bath. Okay.
Bedpan?
Bed pan. Did you have the bed pan today?
No,
We
just today.
answered to the wheelchair.
Modified bed bath.
Wheelchair.
One chair.
Wheelchair.
Dress client affected with dry run. But we are using the basin again. So, water temperature first. Temperatura del agua. Then check it. Mr. Ford, can you please check the water first? You okay? This one? Okay, so prepare. Next, after you have the water temperature, you have to put on your gloves, right? So, guantes. Water temperatura del agua, then guantes. Then you have to prepare this one. One washcloth will be spread here, and the other one will be on the side. Then, get the right or whatever, soak it here and wet this one. Then after that, you have to put it here. Flat on the table. Next, you have to grab first the orange stick wood. This will be inserted here. This is the tip. You have to use the tip, not this one, okay? So, just pretend you are holding one finger here, then insert it here. Look at what I am doing here. Can you please come forward, please? Because I don't want you to miss this one. This is very important to the examiner. Okay, it should be inserted real. Okay, so insert it here on the tip, as if you are getting something here on the tip. Then wipe it. In every stroke, you have to wipe it. Okay, wipe this. Another one. Okay, then another one here. Okay, the last. Okay, I'm done with the orange stick. I have to apply the file now. Okay, one stroke only. That's it. Don't repeat it. It's only one stroke. It's easy, right? Just apply it on the tip of the fingers. Okay, I'm done, Mr. Ford. So wipe this one with a towel. Then remove it. Water basin first. Go directly to the toilet bowl, then flush it. Then dry it with paper towel. Then return it here. Very simple, right? Next, remove this one. You're done, Mr. Obama. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow for the next meal. Next. This one is for the thrush. This one is for the dirty linen hamper. Excuse me, my dear. Thrush, dirty linen, remove your gloves, then go back to the patient. Since the patient is sitting down, you can return the patient to the bed or just give the colite. Mr. Ford, this is your colite. Go out and wash your hand. That's the end.
But Leslie, on this one, you know the towels that you put right here?